Hi guys! So it's Halloween, and of course, like most people, I will attend a Halloween party later. Eh, hindi naman ako creative to come up with a costume, so the most that I can do is make a mask. Yun lang, I can't construct a mask, so I'll just paint one, makeup. Ang problem, I'm not that good with makeup. So, best effort na lang. Okay? So, let's start. Ano ba gagawin ko? Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Baka lang si Batman. Okay guys, meron kayong party mamaya. Ilaw. Tadang! Saan ako makaparn kung mamaya? Or else I'll just stop myself. Okay. Pwede na, no? I'm supposed to be a turtle. Turtle puno. Anong oras na ba? Can't see. So, I'm basically ready. Have to prep pa. I have a show to run. See you later. Hi guys, it's Sam again from Oils Are Blessings, and the other day we made our own makeup remover. So today we're going to see if this one really works. Okay, so I'm supposed to be a turtle. So we just finished our Halloween party and I was supposed to come as a turtle. Since hindi ako marunong gumawa ng mga mascara out of whatever, makeup na lang. So, this is my attempt of making a mask. Okay, so now try this one. As mentioned before, you just need to take a piece and squeeze. Okay, you just need the wet cotton. So what's on my face? Yeah, the usual foundation, powder, liquid eyeliner, and green, what do you call that? Eyeshadow. No. So here we go. And wipe. Diba? Ingay. Okay. See, it does work. Okay. So, we used witch hazel. It helps to prevent and treat acne, skin sores, bruises, redness, swelling, and it tightens your pores. Okay, so we used lavender essential oil from Young Living, and what it does is it lessens also the occurrence of acne, it lightens your skin, reduces wrinkles. Siyempre, do you want that, diba? Okay, I need another one. Oh, yan. Tapos for carrier oil, the one I used was grapeseed oil. So, grapeseed naman, ang benefit niya is that it slows down the aging process. Ganda yun. Everybody wants that. It basically reverses the signs of aging. Like, it lightens your sunspots. Hold on, ooh. Yung ating fine lines, it targets our fine lines, or lessens our fine lines, and then prevents wrinkles. Malit yung konti lang yung aking nakuha na cotton. Kasama liig kasi may powder yung liig. One more just to make sure. So again, you get your cotton, then you squeeze. And of course, after you wipe out your makeup, you wash your face. It's nice to know that we can make our own makeup removers without the use of harmful chemicals. So you only use 4 ingredients, and we know kung ano laman ng ating makeup remover. You don't have to worry as to what they are, because you already know what they can do, and they're all natural. So, if you are interested on knowing more about essential oils, and if you want to be a member of Young Living, feel free to message me. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned something today. Please do subscribe and like this video, and hit that bell so that you will get notified for other videos that I will upload soon. See you. Peace and blessings.